everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Maria and in this video I will be showing you how to curl your hair using a 1-inch curling wand. For me, I use the NuMe curling wand that I've had for years. I've had this ever since I was in university, which was around, I don't know, over 8 years ago. I use my NuMe curling wand to curl my hair into these really nice, loose, beachy waves. What I do is I curl my hair away from my face so that it frames my face shape a little bit more. So I have medium, really thick hair, and it takes me about 15 to 25 minutes to curl my hair, depending on if I get distracted or someone's texting me on my phone and so on. But yeah, I really like the look of these waves. It's really nice, loose and beachy. I don't know really how much you can see because my hair is really dark, but this is what some of the waves look like. Again, just really nice, loose and beachy. In terms of styling my hair, I don't really do anything to it after I curl my hair. I don't put any hairspray just because I want to be able to run my fingers through my hair and I don't want it to look crunchy looking. So I leave it the way it is after curling it. I don't put any other products just to minimize any product buildup into my hair. If you like this video and want to see more, make sure to give it a like and subscribe down below. So let's get started on curling my hair. Make sure that you have a hairbrush handy. Mine is the Goody hairbrush that I've had since high school, and also preheat your curling iron. Start to brush through your hair to brush out any tangles or knots. Start to separate your hair just to make it easier to curl in sections. Here I'm separating the very bottom of my hair just to curl the bottom section first. Then once I'm done curling the bottom section, I will then proceed with the middle section and finally at the top. Then I just bring my hair forward and comb it through just to make sure there aren't any tangles. I grab one section of hair and grab the curling wand and put it upside down and curl my hair away from my face, leaving a little bit of section at the end just to make it a little bit more piecey and loose. Once I'm done curling one piece, I bring it towards the back just so I could focus on the rest of the section. Again, this is the same steps as before of putting the curling wand upside down, curling my hair away from my face, and leaving a little bit of section at the end for a more piecey and loose curl. Then I will bring the piece back just so I can curl the rest of my hair, which I will be speeding through. Once I'm done curling the bottom section of my hair, I will take my ponytail out and leave the top third section tied up so I can finish curling that last. Here I will be curling the middle section of my hair using the same steps as before. Once I'm done curling the middle section of my hair, I'll be taking my ponytail out for the top section and curling the rest of it. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope that you all liked this video. If you're interested in seeing more videos on lifestyle, minimalism, decluttering, and finance videos, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks everyone, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye!